Weeks into the high school season, and we're already in for a little treat Friday night. Hoover and Thompson started quite the rivalry last year. Thompson beat him for the first time in school history in October, but then 1 month later, Hoover got the revenge when it mattered most. 31-12 in the semifinals en route to yet another state championship. So here we are in September, a year later. It's going to be the game of the year once again. You know these two are going to meet in the playoffs too. Thompson's been untouchable in 2 games, 85 total points scored. Hoover dominant against Pinson Valley on national TV, but then got run over by one of the top teams in the country from Washington, D.C. last week. But even though Hoover lost that game 42-14, yeah, Thompson is not fooled at all.
They have a really good offense with George Pickens and with what their OC is doing and stuff like that. So we know coming out against Hoover, we got to play our best game, and we're preparing to do that. And I have confidence that my team is ready.
Taulia Tungavaloa will be ready. Game time at the Hoover Met Friday night at 7 o'clock. Of course, all the highlights on CBS 42 that night at 10.